Om Namah Shivaya. You can see beautiful, powerful mini puja conchs, excellent, finest quality. Both are beautiful, powerful puja conchs, finest quality, makes you to feel the energy, makes you to feel the spiritual energy and powers of God. This conchs will make you to feel the spiritual energy and powers of God and goddesses. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. It's a beautiful conch. Both are collected from the Indian Ocean. It is small and very fine. Small and very fine. Excellent for doing pujas. By doing pujas with this conch, it will make you to feel the spiritual energy and make you to feel a vibration of God and goddesses. And gives very good, happy, healthy life. Very good, happy, healthy life. Both of finest quality, tip to finest quality conch collected from Indian Ocean. Beautiful conches. Excellent quality, beautiful, powerful mini puja conchs, Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.